Does that feeling of crush or butterfly feeling you had for someone ever get over completely? What are boys' selfish desire to get in relationship?
Boys,
How often do you crave sex?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Can you live without sex or masturbation? Just consider a hypothetical situation where you cannot make love to your partner. Will you still be interested in her? So hello everyone, in today's video I will be asking question from Delhi girls and guys about love, sex and relationship. So this video is going to be really interesting, so keep watching till the end and let's get started. That feeling of crush or butterfly feeling you had for someone ever get over completely?
no, I don't think so. It hasn't been complete yet.
No.
No, not at all.
Like, I have a boyfriend and I still get those. Like,
feelings get little subtle over the period of time, but I feel it doesn't go completely.
दिन बाद खत्म
कभी मेजर क्रश आया हो
तो वो एक महीने बाद खत्म.
What are boys' selfish desire to get in relationship?
Because everyone needs love in their life. I believe that everyone needs a partner so they can hang out and they can share their feelings.
But a lot of said it's just for sex.
To be honest, yeah, lots of people, yeah.
Sexual pleasure.
Is it the only thing?
The main thing is that
Love.
Like in the end,
Lust.
everyone wants love.
No,
Lust, no.
it's not sex.
Yeah.
It's not sex.
No, it's not.
Someone who can actually understand how I feel about certain things, and I have a person with whom I can share all those things.
What are girls' selfish desire to get in a relationship?
The
अरे
world.
वो इंस्टा पे एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है ना, आई डोंट वांट पीस, आई वांट प्रॉब्लम्स, ऐसे करके आता है.
क्यों आते हैं?
आते हैं अब हो जाता है कुछ ना कुछ, तो होता ही होगा ना, तभी तो आते हैं, और क्या.
talk about myself, right? So, I really want to get pampered all the time. So, it's like, I really want to get babied and loved so that I, feel really.
You feel validated.
Yeah, exactly. I need validation and stuff like that. So, yeah.
For a companionship,
Just for that, like you have friends.
Yeah, I mean companionship with friends also differ, right? You need different kind of people to fulfill different kind of needs. I mean, we're social animals, and I'm probably the kind of proximity, the closeness, the kind of discussions I can have with a guy being in a relationship would be different from what I can have with my friend. So yeah,
would be like a person who has been into a lot of traveling and all that. That would be my selfish desire. For
You could also travel with.
yeah, of course. Person understands me or not and is able to handle me emotionally and everything like that.
But
मतलब कि हमें स्पेशल फील करा सके थोड़ा बहुत. आई मीन ज़्यादा नहीं, बट कभी कभार भाव चाहिए और थोड़ा बहुत स्पेशल फील करा सके. स्पेशल
how much sex is important for a girl?
It is important, no doubt.
On a scale of 1 to 10, where will you rate it?
8. It is important, yeah. I mean, even for men it is important, but yeah.
You know that it's like scientifically proven. I don't know if scientific is the correct word.
Yeah, everyone.
But yeah, it's like girls desire sex more than men.
Okay.
Yeah, they're more into sex.
So how often do you crave sex?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't want to answer.
No.
How often do you not crave sex? Let's say. How often do you get lustful feeling?
Okay, not always, but yeah, whenever I'm with my guy, obviously.
और बॉयज़ दोनों के लिए होता है. सेक्स नहीं कि सिर्फ बॉयज़ ही, बॉयज़ गर्ल्स भी कहीं ना कहीं होते ही हैं. गर्ल्स बॉयज़ दोनों ही होते
Okay,
हैं.
so
यार मतलब जो गर्ल्स हैं उनके दिमाग में तो वैसे यही रहता है कि सिर्फ लड़के ही पागल है ना, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. लड़कियां भी होती हैं यार, ठीक है, उनका भी वही होता है उनकी यार.
how much sex is important for a boy?
Twice a week. I believe that. Twice a week.
Minimum.
Yeah, minimum should be twice a week.
2-3 times a week. I guess it's important.
2-3.
sex is the most important. Sex is very important.
This is important for both the genders. Yeah, it is just not boys' need; it's biologically need of both the genders.
Can you live without sex or masturbation? Or-
Yes. It's not like roti kapda makan type of need. So yes, we can.
यार मस्ट है ये तो, कि कौन रह सकता है विदाउट.
No,
मैं
कोई भी नहीं रह सकता.
Now, do you think you have
If I
that?
want to, I will. I can.
But right now you cannot.
See, I'm not a celibate, so I can't actually. Sadhu nahi hu main. So I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
No, not for me. No.
Okay, how often do you crave sex?
Secretly, every boys crave for sex every time, but they don't express. So yeah, every time. Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah.
That's too much.
I know.
Just consider a hypothetical situation where you cannot make love to your partner. Would you still be interested in him?
Cannot make at all. No physical contact at all. I would be. Yeah, I would be, but it definitely affects the bonding somewhere or the other.
No.
Completely no.
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 Not at all.
No.
Yeah. If I love her, I'll still.
But
be
you
interested
said
in her.
sex is so important for you.
Like if I can't make love to her, like
just consider
it depends on
hypothetical.
situation. Like हुआ क्या? Like क्यों I can't like.
You have to
make
just
love?
assume there is a
Like I'm
situation.
paralyzed or like I'm behind bars or
But
something.
the doctor said you can't make love or otherwise she will die.
What the fuck?
Huh?
I don't know. Yeah, but I still love her.
So that's on my partner whether he or she will be comfortable if I am inept of making love to them. So I will pass the ball to them. तुम बताओ क्या है?
मतलब नहीं थोड़ा बहुत मेरा डगमगाएगा.
रिलेशनशिप में मैंने
तो
4
क्या होगा रिलेशनशिप में तुम्हारा?
नहीं तो क्या हुआ एवरीथिंग इज
You're
नॉट
मतलब अट्रैक्टिव भी नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं.
प्यार मैंने कहा ना ओल्ड स्कूल हूँ
Okay,
मैं.
प्यार क्या होता है फिर?
प्यार होता है कि केयर कि वो बंदा कितनी
नहीं रहेंगे नहीं.
नहीं मेरे को लगता है कि
Attractive
केयर
नहीं।
और
I think the problems will be there, honestly speaking. But yeah, I think if we want to make things work, then we will make things work.
Yes, I will be in love with him.
You will still love
Yes.
it. Or like, will it make it less exciting?
No. For me, trust matters the most. And then
But there will be no fun part.
I mean, I don't think sex is the only fun part in the relationship.
But does lust destroy love?
With the same person or different person?
The same person. Like lust in general.
If the base is lust, then obviously it does. But if the base is love, then some proportion of lust is required.
Yeah.
How much? But lust is also important to get that bond. Or
It does, but it maybe doesn't affect how it's affecting you to the other person. So it can destroy like your relationship with someone precious to you.
No, I believe that lust is also important in love, so I don't believe it destroys love.
Yes, actually, definitely lust destroy love because it's not a healthy expression of a love. So if you love someone, it doesn't has to be physical. Again, it has to be emotional, and lust is always physical. So it gives rise to so many like unhealthy habits, which are not good for a relationship and for an individual. So I believe that.
But you also said like lust, or you can say getting physical, is important to make that bond.
Physical like it's everything should be in a limit. It's not like that like lust is not specific to one person. Love is specific to one person. You like the way I feel for one person does not mean I can feel lust for anyone who is handsome and extremely out, like very sexy or very attractive, but I cannot, it's not necessarily that I'll feel love for that person.